Hi guys! Today I'm gonna explain to you briefly how to operate Praat. But firstly, let me introduce myself. My name is Yara Faiza with student number 2507050002. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, make sure that you have already downloaded Praat on your computer. To begin, click open, then click read from file. After that, find your audio file. Here are my audio files. I have 3 different audio recordings from different sources. Choose the audio file that you want to analyze first. You can rename the file by clicking rename at the bottom left corner so it is easier to distinguish between the 3 accents. In my case, I have already renamed all of my audio files. Then go back to the audio and click view and edit. Now the audio tab is open. To play the audio, click tab on the keyboard.
The water in the bottle is very hot.
Since I do not need this part of the recording, I am going to remove it. Highlight the unwanted section and press Ctrl plus X to delete it.
The water in the bottle is very hot.
Same as before, I remove this part by click Ctrl plus X, then the part is moving. And now let's focus on finding the pitch. First, block the sound, click pitch, then click show pitch, so the pitch contour appears on the screen in blue. And then click pitch again, click get pitch, and now we get the mean pitch, which is 170.31 Hz in selection. Next, let's find the minimum pitch. Click pitch, get minimum pitch, and the result is 139.90 Hz in selection. And we also have to find the maximum pitch. Click pitch, get maximum pitch, and the result is 252.34 Hz in selection. After that, we need to identify which words contain the minimum and maximum pitch. Click pitch again, then click move cursor to minimum pitch, and now we find that the minimum pitch occurs on the word bottle.
Bottle is very hot. Bottle is very hot.
And now we're looking for the maximum pitch. First, block the sound, click pitch, then click move cursor to maximum pitch, and now we found the maximum pitch occurs on the word end.
In the bottle is very hot.
And next we will find the intensity. Block the sound again and again, click intensity, click show intensity. The green one is the intensity. Click intensity, get intensity, and the mean intensity is 62.84 decibels in selection. Close the tab, click get minimum intensity, and the result is 40.83 decibels in selection. And now we should find the maximum too. Click intensity, get maximum intensity, and the result is 69.79 decibels in selection. We also need to identify the words that contain the minimum and maximum intensity. The minimum intensity occurs on the word in. We can see this because it appears at the lowest point.
In the bottle is very hot.
Meanwhile, the maximum intensity occurs on the word bottle. It can also be identified by looking at the graph where the intensity reaches its highest point.
Bottle is very hot.
Close the tab and go back to the menu. Next, we are going to create a text grid. Go back to the menu, click Annotate, then select to text grid. Rename it however you want. I choose Luna Because this audio uses her voice, then click apply. After that, select both the sound and the text grid. Then click view and edit. This window will appear. Play the audio and start labeling each word. The first word is the. Continue labeling the remaining words one by one until all words have been separated correctly.
The word.
You can adjust the cursor like me. Now I'm trying to find the exact sound segment for the word the.
The word.
After you have found the correct boundaries for each word, you can type the words one by one in the boxes provided here. And then don't forget to continue cutting and labeling the remaining parts of the audio one by one ya guys. And remember, you have to listen to the audio very carefully. We finally finished cutting and labeling all the words. Once you finish, return to the menu, select both the sound and the text grid again, click draw, then click apply. The result will appear like this. And now we are going to draw the pitch contour. Select only the sound file, click Analyze Periodicity, choose to pitch, and then click Apply. As you can see, the pitch object has been added to the list. Change the color if necessary to make it easier to recognize. I choose blue, then click Draw and Apply. The result will appear like this. Next, we will work on the intensity. Select only the sound file again. Remember, only the sound file should be selected. Click to intensity, then click apply. And the intensity object is now added to the list. Click the pen icon to change the color. I choose red for the intensity. Then click draw and apply. This is the final result. We have successfully created the text grid and identified the minimum and maximum values of both pitch and intensity. So this is the final output of the analysis. I hope you can understand this explanation, and I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching.